Hey everyone, today I'm showing you Hedy AI, an AI-powered meeting and conversation assistant that listens in real time and helps you speak with clarity, confidence, and impact, whether it's a meeting, interview, class, or pitch. Hedy AI is like having a personal strategist, note-taker, and communication coach in your pocket. It listens to live conversations and quietly gives you smart prompts, questions, insights, and summaries while the conversation is still happening. You already have the knowledge. Hedy just helps you find the perfect words. Here's how it works. Start your meeting or class as usual. Hedy listens and analyzes the conversation in real time. You choose the conversation language Hedy sends you, thought starters, suggestions, and questions on a private interface. After the session, you get full summaries, transcripts, and action items. No interruptions, no awkward pauses, just smarter conversations. Now let's talk key features. Real-time intelligence. Get instant insights while people are still talking. Form smarter responses. Spot opportunities others completely miss. Multilingual support. Understands 30-plus languages. Perfect for global teams and international meetings. AI meeting summaries. Automatic summaries, detailed notes, key decisions, and action items. You can even upload past recordings to analyze. Privacy and security, built with security. First, GDPR-compliant HIPAA and SOC 2 Type 2 certifications in progress. Perfect for sensitive conversations. Now let's talk pricing. Official website pricing. Free plan, limited usage pro plan, $9 per month or $69 per year. Lifetime plan, $199 one time. But here's the smart move. Right now on StackSocial, you can get Hedy AI Pro 1-year subscription at a massive discount. Instead of paying monthly or full price, you get unlimited meetings, full AI summaries, recording imports, advanced organization tools, pro features unlocked for a full year. This deal is limited time, so once it's gone, it's gone. I've dropped the StackSocial deal link in the description. Check it out before the price goes back up. Hedy AI doesn't replace your voice, it elevates it. If you attend meetings, interviews, or classes and want to sound more confident, clearer, and sharper, Hedy AI is absolutely worth it. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more AI tools and lifetime deal reviews. And don't forget, grab the Hedy AI StackSocial deal before it expires.